First, I would like to welcome each and everyone. I am Andrew Martinez, your facilitator in air conditioning, servicing, and C2. I am going to administer the pre-assessment tools for you to fill up. These pre-assessment tools will be used in preparation and scheduling of the activities of each training. Pre-assessment tool is the learner's characteristic. This is to identify your learning styles. And next is the self-assessment check. This is to recognize the skills that are previously learned and experienced against. I will give you 30 minutes to fill in the said form. And lastly is the pre-test. This is to determine and measure current knowledge about the topics covered in the qualification. So let's now proceed to the orientation proper. It's a training delivery approach that focuses on the competency development of the learner as a result of the training. Role of a trainer: serves as a team member to determine what is to be learned, stimulates trainees' motivation, manage learning, a facility the trainees, diagnose and solves learning problem, evaluate students' achievement. Trainers select what and when they want to learn at their own rate, choose how they want to learn, responsible for what and when they learn, receives credit for what they already know. Competency-based learning materials is a simply well-designed and carefully developed learning materials that give trainees detailed instructions to guide them through the learning process. Important part of CBLM: the information sheet, self-check, answer key, task sheet, job sheet, performance criteria checklist. Evaluation tools: demonstration with oral questioning, written exam, interview, portfolio assessment.